Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Pipedrive account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change user permissions in your Pipedrive account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change user permissions, admin permissions in your Pipedrive account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that you probably work with a lot of different VAs or assistants, and sometimes you have to decrease the amount of permissions they have in your Pipedrive. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Pipedrive account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Pipedrive, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and change the admin permissions, you're going to click on your profile icon here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here, Manage Users. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the users you have inside of Pipedrive. You can see it's just me. You can change the user permissions in invited as well. So you can see this person is invited as a global admin and a deals regular user. So in order to change their permissions over here on the top right, you're going to see these three little dots next to their name. All right, once you do that, it's going to give you a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on Edit Access Rights. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and update the user permissions. So you can change the deals permissions and global features permissions. So for example, this person's an admin right now. We can go ahead and open that up and just set them as a regular user. And same thing with the deals. You can go ahead and open that up and change them over to an admin. So once you've made the changes on the permissions, go ahead and click on this green Edit One User button here at the bottom. Okay, next you're going to see this confirmation. So confirm you're giving them the correct permissions. If so, click on confirm. All right, just a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see the admin users permissions have been updated right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to change the admin user permissions in your Pipedrive account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.